Good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC Biology Past Question 2019, Question 41. Which of the following factors is not a source of variation in living organisms? Which of the following factors is not a source of variation in living organisms? A. Environment, B. Inheritance, C. Mitosis, and D. Meiosis. Now, what is variation? Now, variation simply refers to the differences that occur between parents and offsprings. Now, between parents and their progeny, between parents and their offspring, that's their children, the differences that occur between two or more individuals, two or more organisms. Now that's variation. The question is here is asking us to find the factors that is not a source of variation, the factor that doesn't lead to variation. We have environment. Now, environmental conditions like sunlight affects some phenotype. When I say phenotype, I mean some physical qualities we have. For instance, the color of a particular person. Now, someone in Nigeria, due to the harsh condition of the weather, the sun and the rest, it makes you look darker than someone in maybe someone staying in a cold region, a temperate region. So now environment affects variation. Inheritance is also a source of variation due to the fact that each organism inherits a particular trait from its parents, making it different from other organisms which inherit other traits from their parents. We have mitosis. Now, what is mitosis? Now, mitosis is simply the replication of cells, the division of cells that take place in the body tissues. Now, this cell division in mitosis give birth to identical daughter cells. Now, when I say identical daughter cells, mitosis, it gives birth to two cells that are identical, two cells that are the same. Now, from mitosis, you agree with me that there is no variation due to the fact that the same organism that was divided will be replicated without any difference. Now, meiosis is what? This is the cell division that occurs in germ cells. When I say germ cells, this is cell division that leads to reproduction. Now, in meiosis, there's independent assortment of gene. Now, this independent assortment of gene leads to the formation of different traits, different characteristics, different properties. So that's why you are not although maybe you might look like your father or your mother, but then your face is kind of different from theirs, and due to meiosis. And that's why you see each individual has a particular striking difference from other individuals. Each individual has his own character and the rest. It is due to meiosis, independent assortment of gene, like I told you. So meiosis actually leads to variation too. So from this explanation, our answer is mitosis. Like I told you, identical daughter cells are produced. Identical daughter cells, that is daughter cells that are similar, that are the same. So mitosis C is the answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please